Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to continue the lesson Abdul becomes a courtier. So this is the conversation between the father and Abdul. Okay. Father, who is a schoolmaster, is getting ready to go to school, and Abdul, he is working at merchant's store, and he's saying, "Sir, please observe my work and pay only what I deserve." Okay. So Abdul, he is really crazy about books. He loved books. So uh, he asked his father about books, but his father couldn't buy book, and that's why he is very sad. He is very dejected, and he decided to do work. So Abdul, he is working in a merchant store, and he's very excited. So he's saying, may I, he done his work. So he just want to quench his thirst of knowledge by reading the books. Okay. He just want to read book. So days passed, he learned and learned, gaining knowledge, for which he earned philosophy, astronomy, Arabic, Persian. Abdul, the scholar, now he is one in million. He is one in million. Will he come to the emperor's notice? Will he given an honorable office? Okay. So emperor will give him honorable office or what? So one friend came to him and gives a news. The emperor has answered your prayer. He is saying the royal Murgi Khana is now under your care. So he's saying, I am so scholar, Murgi Khana for me. What is the Murgi Khana? What the Murgi Khana for me? A scholar, intellectual, sagacious, astute, made a poultry keeper. But Abdul is saying, then Abdul just said, never mind, the chance I won't refuse. I won't refuse this chance. I just want to rule. Never mind. The chance I won't refuse. It is an opportunity. I will put it to good use. So this is a very good opportunity for me. I will put it to good use. So Abdul worked with conviction, zeal, and passion. He's very excited, he's very enthusiastic, he's working very hard. The hens were given a new kind of ration. What the hens given? The new kind of ration. So the birds seemed to be in the pink of health, but nothing was spent from the emperor's wealth. Nothing was spent from the emperor's wealth. Emperor, how is that? Emperor is saying, how is that? Why are we spending so little on our hands? Why we are spending so little on our hands? Yes, emperor is saying that how we are spending so little on our hands. Have most of them died in the pens. Minister, no, your majesty, they are alive and well. The secret of their health only Abdul can tell. So the ministers are telling, informing the emperor that they are all alive and they are well. They are alive and well. The secret of their health only Abdul can tell. So secret of their health Abdul will tell you. Abdul enters and bows before the emperor. Bows like this. Okay. Bows before the emperor. How come you spend so little on our hens? How do you nourish them at no expense? How do you nourish them at no expense? How could you serve them? Abdul. Jahapana, your humble servant feeds them well. Food from the royal kitchen, if I may tell, but only scraps and shells and kitchen waste, that's enough for the hens. They relish and taste. They relish the taste. It's good for their health. See how they thrive. It's good for their health and see how they thrive. Waste not, want not, that's my drive. Waste not, want not. ज़्यादा waste नहीं करना. Don't want not. That's my drive. Emperor says, interesting young man. So all the hens he were feeding on that kitchen, whatever the kitchen scraps and shades. Okay. So it's good for their health. See how they thrive. See how they thrive. Waste not, he's saying waste not, want not, that's my drive. So emperor is interesting young man, you seem to have brains. You seem to have brains. We put in charge of the library for all your pens. We put you in charge of the library for all your pen. So emperor made Abdul in charge of the library. Okay. Yes. We put you in charge of the library for all your pens. Now, chorus. Oh no, not again. Only a keeper of books. Chorus sound is there. Oh no, not again. Only a keeper of books. And he wished to be a courtier. How sad he looks. He wished to become a courtier, but how sad it is. Only a bookkeeper. Abdul said, never mind. I love books. I will get down to work. I will handle this well. My duties, I won't shrink. So Abdul is saying, never mind. I'm ready. I love books. I'm ready to do my duty. I will handle this well, my duties. I won't shrink. After 1 year, the emperor is looking at the books in the library. 1 year passed. After 1 year, emperor is looking after library at the books in the library. Okay, emperor, what? All these books have such expensive jackets. All these books have such expensive jackets. Surely they have cost a fortune. Silks, brocades, and velvets. Abdul said, "No, Your Majesty, the expenses were none." Expenses to kuch bhi nahi hai, none. Emperor, I can't believe it. Then how was it done? How can you take care of the book and how it is done? Abdul, Your Majesty, I observed that the formal requests were sent to you in bags made of the fabric best. When the papers were read, the bags were discarded. Why waste the silk, velvet, brocade? I demanded. The royal tailors made the jackets. Whenever anyone sent you the bag, this is made up of fabric and the fabric is best. When the papers were read, the bags were discarded. Why we waste the silk, velvet, brocade? I demanded that the royal tailors made this from this the jackets. Nothing did they take. Nothing did they take. Each book was dressed for Your Majesty sake. Each book was dressed for Your Majesty's sake. Emperor, you have great merit. I realized much earlier. He's saying, Emperor is saying, you have great merit, you are so clever, you are so wise. I have realized much earlier. I am happy to announce, now you are my courtier. So finally, Emperor announced that Abdul became Sir Courtier. Now you are my courtier. Chorus wits, brains, and preservers help Abdul achieve his aim. Patience, determination own him great name and fame. See, wits, brains, and perseverance help Abdul achieve his aim. Patience, determination own him great name and fame. His patience, his determination toward his work, his brain. Okay, he was very wise, clever. He's very wise, clever. All these things will help Abdul great name and fame. Great name and fame. So, in this way, Abdul became a courtier. Okay. So this is the half of the portion of this lesson. Abdul became courtier. In last period, we have finished the half. So I have just summarized, and here we have finished this lesson. Abdul became a courtier. By his determination, by his hard work, Abdul became a courtier. Okay. So your homework is read the lesson Abdul became a courtier. Lesson. Abdul becomes read the lesson Abdul became a courtier. Okay. So this is a very small lesson. Tomorrow we will write down the hard words and question answers of this lesson. Okay. So we'll write down question answers tomorrow. Understood? Okay. Okay, bye.